Boni Cha, Boni Muzukani. Baik ini semua hukum mereka. Di peraturan ini, Cilamus ini minister, ini Cile Borma, ini minister Antoni Cakma, ini honorable member of parliament, Dewi Mohan Tripura. Iqbal ini respected ini member of the assembly, which is senior citizen of different communities. Ini John to Chinorani, Dof Hani, community leader, Mind Bonabekti, John Tono, Ani Bekti Proteke, Chris Hokare Teke, Sindrona Hakchanma, Hambai, Effer. Since Saimano, BJP, I took this Horta. Prothom jini assembly session Singatuk Pro jini honorable jini governor His Excellency Prothagoto Rai, but Prothom person, I don't know you remember or not, but his statement was harmony, but his speech harmony. BJP, I think the government will give topmost priority for overall development of indigenous people of Tripura. প্রথম পক্ষ যিনি সরকার কাল সরকার topmost priority will be given especially for overall development, culture, custom, language. Abano ini dipasarkan priority naik. This message sentamo terus palaitam. Semukha Congress শাসন 30%, 32%, বামপন্থী শাসন 32%, কোন সময়ও তিনি ট্রেডিশন, কালচার, কাস্টম লাইভ বানাতে গিয়ে বড় গুরুত্বপূর্ণ রিয়া। They are not giving any important, any interest to preserve, maintain, develop our tradition, culture, and history. Whereas we have experienced they try to distort the culture, they try to demolish the culture, destroy the culture, our glorious history. Only BJP and the government take initiative. Bagi Hambai Marawo, Jini Mukhyamantri Pranab Biplab Kumar Debno, what is zeal, what is enthusiasm, Jini history na tegi, Jini culture na tegi, what is Hambai Marawo. Jini sir, just the community leaders. We have now 20 communities in Tripura, big or small. But on the culture, custom, some government title. And even we wonder, did Tripura government approve like that? Cabinet approved like that? There is a committee headed by Dr. Sukendra Devarma, who was the syllabus professor, head of department of history and culture, to rename our lost culture. Jini agni bumno, there was some consult over the bagay. Invite in a function like a comedy chonka. The appropriate government of Tripura. About a Stephen symbolic. We just want to satum, CPM Congress is satum, Shurichini Pramantum, our action will tell, our performance will tell, our activities will tell to the people. Taking initiative to develop to maintain, preserve our culture and tradition in Tripura. Our Babi, Antotuna Hambairabo, the job community leaders, community head, senior citizen, the job to the Mansoman, my noble deputy. Not only the Oberta Asa Tomai, Jini Tibrajo, the director Aboito, in the right direction, in the right track, our body and Koinai, not Konono. Something in comment, simply study with Dubai, but initiative by some Samadhi party, some sort of head promotion. Little, so honorarium, renewable is just a item. The quality in cabinet is a good thing. Something, a token of our love, token of our symbolic expression. But the Boran Rabbi respect Rabbi. Sir, only the cabinet mission matter. So the small party, community head will be given honorarium by the government of Tripura. Organization Lukia, आगे वो बड़े बड़े आंसर तिनी अपनी माध्यम में सिंह डॉक्टर जिन्हें get together जिन्हें fellowship टेबल थाने जिन्हें interaction exchange of views exchange of ideas so protect personal ये tradition जिन्हें बाका साइकिल का जिन्हें राजा और खाई तुम्हारी और tradition जो follow करते हो there is not any politics here everyone is welcome. Although it is tradition, we are reviving the history because our Maharaja kings, for Amai Khaitum, Tinuka, our just follows play. There is no any politics, there is no any other agenda. Sini mentality to revive our history, to develop our history, to maintain and carry forward. Our bagi kakao, jod to sini community leader, okraro, chakraro. ज्ञानी गुणी व्यक्ति र वंशम नै जति सरकार तथा सरकार बिजिबाटे सरकार मात्र आराई वर्ष जे खाइ कुमानी अपन प्रमाण रहितंगो आंखाको जत्तोनो दिने जों जति जेनेरेसन भ्यूज इन आइडिया जों शेयर खाइनाय अब आं खुसी पाखौ साले हायनो हाय जत्तोनो न अनि खातसांमा अनि हमजातमा अनि खातफुरबाय हामबाय थर थैंक यू